We are with Bill Eschenbrenner, the founder of the Western Refining Collegiate All-American Golf Classic. And Bill, tell us a little bit about the start of it, this event.
The Sun Bowl needed a golf tournament, and they were thinking about a local amateur tournament or a pro-am or something, and I said, let me think about that a little bit. So about 3 or 4 weeks went by, and I dreamed about it at night. I said, you know, the All-Americans don't have a place to get together. They're not being recognized back when I played, especially. And I thought, boy, we could have an All-American tournament. That might be the thing. I had no dream that it would be like this. And when Jerry Pate won our first tournament, the real dream came through to realize what kind of field we had and what kind of fields we've been having since then.
And that year was 1974. Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, I got to feel a little bit old when he went on the senior tour. The tournament didn't feel that old, but I did.
Okay, tell us about some of the beginning, a great story from the beginning that you had with this event.
Well, one of the funniest things that ever happened is when John Fulmer, one of the guys that really does a lot for the Sun Bowl and brings the football teams in here, we were out in the last group, the last day on the 11th hole, and we had a bull snake out there. So he just thought he'd get one of the players' clubs and lift it up. And when he did, the snake went down on his chest and he fell to the ground. He looked like a whale waddling around out there with a snake on top of him. We've had some fun times, great players. I still remember Tiger Woods, typical, went into the tournament, tied, coming in the last hole. He needed to bury the last hole, made his 20-footer, put his fist in the air. First extra playoff hole, made his 20-footer, put his fist in the air. It was the beginning of his career, and I've watched that for a lot of years. Now,
this is not just a great golf event, but you actually really treat these players that come in here, they're all collegians, it's a special event. Tell us a little bit about the hospitality.
Yes, well, I just was driving James White here today. He's from Georgia Tech, first team All-American, I'm sponsoring him this time. But I was talking to him about the camaraderie of the players. When they're playing their tournaments, they come as a team to the golf tournament. They don't get to see each other. They don't know each other very well. Here, all the All-Americans from all over the country are brought together, and then they get to meet each other and become personal friends, and that's what James was all fired up about that today as much as anything.
Well, we're looking forward to a great week here, and thanks a lot for hosting us and telling us a little bit about the history of this event.
Well, thanks for you coming too. It means a lot for us to have you here too. Thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Bill.